Okay, so Lightwright can do a lot for us. And we just came and we were looking at views, and let's go ahead and view by position. And we want to rearrange this so that this is a little better, right? So we start with E pipe and then A pipe and forth. And that's just a hot mess. We would rather things go kind of in the order that we would like them to go. There is a lot of sorting, right, and organizing of information so that it lays out in a logical way that we may want to do. And the way that we're able to access all of that is through this Maintenance pull-down menu. And if you click on Maintenance, this is going to call up lists that allow us to organize our information in a logical way. And we want to organize our positions. So I've just come down and I'm going to click on Maintenance, the Maintenance pull down, and I'm going to click on Positions. And what this does then is gives me a list of all of the positions that I have used. Now if I want to rearrange this list, probably I want the first electric to be at the top. If I highlight the first electric and hover over this first column, you see where that up and down arrow is? If I hover over that first column, I can drag this up and down the list. I've moved the first electric up. Maybe I want to move the second electric up. I can move it up and down the list. And I can continue doing this until everything is laid out the way that I want it. I don't know why my second electric stayed. Oh, it was just highlighted. Right? And I move my third electric up the list. And you can see the little black line where everything is going. I highlight my fourth electric, I hover over the box, and I move the fourth electric up. And now when I click, it moves up, right? So now I've got first, second, third, and fourth electric are lined up there. Now, there's also a faster way that you can sort of organize information if it works out in your favor. Sometimes I start with it and then I still have to move things around. But down at the bottom there is a button that's called Alphabetize, right? And Alphabetize is just going to put it in alphabetical order. Numbers first and then letters next. And if I click Alphabetize, are you sure? Yes. You'll see now that it's changed my A, B, C, D, E pipes into correct order, and it left the first electrics up there. Alphabetize can be a good place to start. If you have removed positions or removed lights from positions, sometimes the remove unused, it'll hold on to a position name even though there are no lights on it, right? So sometimes you may want to use remove unused to kind of clean up this list. So let's just go ahead and close this. We'll just close this window, right? And go back to our position sorting, right? Which is here. Now I'm just using my mouse wheel to scroll up, right? And you may need to enable mouse scrolling on here, and I'll talk about that in a little bit, right? But you can also use the scroll bar that's on the side over here if you need to move up. But now you'll see that my position list is organized the way that I did on that list before. First electric, then second, third, fourth, and then A, B, C, D, E pipes, right? So that's a little bit about maintenance for positions.